Positive and negative descriptions. The yin and yang of English adjectives and adverbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we are diving into an important concept in English: positive and negative descriptions. By mastering this, you'll enhance your ability to express your thoughts and feelings more accurately and make your conversations more colorful and exciting. Let's get started. Before we delve into positive and negative descriptions, it's crucial to grasp what descriptions are. When we speak or write, we often use words to describe people, places, things, or situations. These descriptors are mainly adjectives and adverbs. They give us additional information, help us visualize, and provide our words with depth and detail. For example, John is kind. In this sentence, kind is an adjective describing John. Or, she runs quickly. Here, quickly is an adverb describing how she runs. In English, descriptions can convey positive or negative connotations. Positive descriptions create an uplifting, favorable impression. They usually denote pleasant, admirable, or desirable qualities. For example, she has a vibrant personality. Here, vibrant is a positive description, suggesting that she has an energetic and lively personality. On the other hand, negative descriptions paint an unfavorable picture. They denote unattractive, unpleasant, or undesirable qualities or actions. For instance, he is lazy. In this case, lazy is a negative description, implying that he lacks motivation or avoids work. Positive and negative descriptions are more than just words. They carry emotional weight and can significantly affect the listener's or reader's perception. They can make your stories more engaging, your arguments more persuasive, and your compliments or criticisms more impactful. Consider the difference between "she's an efficient worker," positive, and "she's a demanding worker," negative. Even though both sentences describe the same person, they create very different impressions. The key to mastering positive and negative descriptions is practice. Try to incorporate more adjectives and adverbs into your daily conversations and writings. Pay attention to the connotations of the words you use. Challenge yourself to describe the same thing using both positive and negative descriptions. For instance, "This task is challenging," positive, versus "This task is difficult," negative. And that's a wrap on positive and negative descriptions. Remember, your choice of words can make a world of difference. So, play around with positive and negative descriptions, and soon, you'll notice your English reaching new heights of expressiveness. Keep practicing and keep exploring. Happy learning!